Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Did you happen to know it's almost the end of Veganuary?
Yes.
We have a quick recipe. Well, it's not really a recipe. We have a taste test today. And we're going to be having this daring plant chicken. And
not sponsored.
No. We got this at Walmart. And it was quite expensive. It was almost $7.
Mm-hmm.
Or was it $6? I think it was almost $6
or $7.
Yeah, depending on where in the country you live, I guess. I think they had about 4 different varieties. I just wanted to try the plain one. And the reason why I got it was because it's gluten-free.
Mm-hmm.
It's non-GMO and it's vegan. And it's easily accessible because it's in Walmart. It's mainstream. So I wanted to give it a try. So I just got the plain. We're going to be having it in Buddha bowls today. Rainbow salad Buddha bowls. So I have all of the accoutrements here. I just air fried these for about, let's see, 6 or 7 minutes at 400.
Mm-hmm.
We've got some smiley potatoes.
Beautiful.
We've got corn.
Beautiful.
We have lettuce. Ooh, the oven said, really? We have some cucumber, tomato, purple cabbage, carrots, and no less than my world famous ranch dressing.
Yeah.
Live in the fantasy.
And we do have a video for that if you haven't already seen it.
Yeah. So we're gonna put our salad, our Buddha bowl salad bowls together, and we're gonna come back and taste the chicken. Spoiler alert, I tasted the tiniest little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. You're in for it.
Alright.
Alright, Maddie's gonna construct her salad.
Who wants to watch me make a salad?
I do.
Alright, well, of course, you can make yours however you want, but this is just what I do.
Right.
So I'm going to start with a bed of romaine lettuce.
Oh. You mean like Romaine from Selling Sunset?
I can't help but think of that every time I have romaine lettuce. Do I want? No, I guess that's good because there's going to be like a lot
There's
of
lots
stuff.
of accoutrements here.
Let's bring this
over. Oh, should we do olives too?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll get that in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. So we do some of this red cabbage. Oh, beautiful. This is going to come in handy later too when we have our street tacos.
Street tacos tonight.
It's going to be good.
Street tacos tonight.
Yeah.
That's not going to be a recipe, by the way, though, guys. That is a recipe already, I think, on the vegan channel.
Before. I'm not going to load up too much on the red cabbage since we are having it later, too.
Yeah.
Got the carrots. Beautiful.
It's a real rainbow.
Yeah.
Except we don't have anything that's blue.
No.
That's a bummer.
It's blue. This one is.
Yeah.
Lucy.
That must have been the salad delivery man.
Yeah.
He's at the back door now.
Oh no. Next up, I'm going to add my tomatoes.
Okay. Lucy approves.
Is that approval?
Yes.
Okay.
Isn't it though?
I don't know. She does it all the time, so it's hard to tell what's what. I love tomatoes, so I'm going to put a good amount.
And you should. They're good for you.
They are very good. Alright, next I'm going to add some corn.
Sweet corn, baby.
Beautiful. Oh, this is looking so good.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay. Again, we are having that tonight, so not too much. Okay.
We're not having this.
No, we're not. I want to keep mine on the side, I think.
Okay.
Miles of smiles right here.
That's right. Happy salad. All right, let me grab the olives. You can have a whole one if you want.
Oh.
Or just a few.
Whoa!
It's a personal cup of olives.
Yeah. Oh, I was about to eat this.
You can try it.
Mmm.
Right?
That's pretty good.
That's really good.
That's really tasty.
That justifies the price because that actually tastes like chicken.
That's really tasty. That's kind of freaky, honestly.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I wonder what the flavored ones taste like now.
Yeah, what were the options? Do you remember?
Lemon pepper, I think. I think they had maybe a barbecue one or maybe like a buffalo one. Pretty sure there was about 4 different types.
I think the whole tray was 3 servings.
Right.
But we may go a little over. Whatever. So
Yeah.
olives here.
Wow. Make sure, let's shake this up while we're waiting for you.
Yeah.
Just because I just made a fresh batch and it's not at its maximum thickness yet.
Mm-hmm.
It's not thick, 3 C's.
No, it's only like 1.5 C's right
Yeah.
now. Okay, we got a couple olives in here. Just have like half of a container.
Okay.
And the dressing.
Oh, that is so beautiful. I didn't do any onions because I figured we're having onions later.
Yeah. Here we go. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoop.
Beautiful.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
That's a good looking salad right
It
there.
really is.
Now let's get a taste. Lucy. She said, "Ugh."
Sean's amused.
Yeah. Okay, so I took a taste of it by itself and
Right.
really like the flavor. The texture is excellent. And the coating is, I think, pretty spot on.
Yeah.
Pretty spot on. Now let's taste this with like a bunch of the stuff.
It actually tastes like grilled chicken strips.
Whoops.
Because, like, we've had the Aldi ones and we've had, like, the Beyond ones were pretty good. I think these might be better than the Beyond. Not the nuggets. The old-timey strips that they used to have.
That's really tasty.
Yeah. Wow. Good for them. All right. Good on you, Daring.
Well done.
Wow.
The price, not the best,
But maybe on sale. I haven't seen it in any other store. I don't know if it's exclusive to Walmart or what, but I haven't seen it in ShopRite or Hannaford's or anywhere.
I would definitely be down to try
The other
some of
flavors?
the flavors too.
Yeah.
Because I bet they're pretty good.
But I definitely just get the plain one again, too.
Yeah. The
Wow.
plain slaps.
Yeah. That whole plate slaps, baby.
Yeah, do you want to try one on camera?
Okay.
Alright, so we can get your thoughts on it.
Or thoughts.
Yeah.
I like a nice crispy one.
Okay. I have to say too, I don't know how this cooks up in the oven, but in the air fryer, it's perfection.
This tastes like almost like thigh meat, or like a chicken leg. You know, when
yeah.
you roast it in the oven.
I know exactly what you mean.
And you could kind of taste like the shreds in there. Like it's got delineation in there of like the fibers.
Yeah, the texture is really good.
Texture is amazing. It's got just the right amount of salt. Like it's not too salty. It gives just enough. Like if you were to roast some chicken thighs or, you know, like a leg. I wouldn't say it's really white meat.
No.
You know, it's more of like the leg or thigh of the chicken. But it's really, really tasty. Wow.
All right.
That's a nice surprise.
Well, we'll let you get your salad together so we can eat lunch. So,
All right.
do you have anything to say?
We had a lot of great... No, I'm just kidding. It's almost the end of Veganuary, but the videos are not over.
The fun will continue.
The fun continues after Veganuary, so subscribe for more videos and...
Let us know if you've tried these out before, these nugs. Well, I guess they're not nuggets, they're strips.
And if you have, what's your favorite flavor? That's it for until tomorrow. We're getting down to the end of Veganuary. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, much love.